In this video, we are going to have a look at creating one blog article and then converting it into multiple social media posts, being scheduled out to multiple platforms. Let's jump straight in. This is a video you don't want to miss. We've got some lovely tools and tips in here. If you're looking to get the best AI news and automation tips and tools to grow your local business, jump into our free newsletter and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Let's jump in. So what we're going to have a look at is first creating the article with AI. Then we are going to use AI to create the social media post content in our tone of voice for our brand that matches our persona. And then finally, we are going to schedule that post out to multiple platforms, all in a few clicks. We want to write a blog and then we want to schedule that blog out to multiple platforms in a few clicks. So before we write the blog, we need to understand what we want to write about. So for our business, we want to talk about AI agents, AI automations. So we jump into a website and you can access this for free. And we are going to look for AI automations in our country because our primary target customer at the moment is in Ireland. And search. You can add 3 keywords into this and this will help bundle it together a bit better. The purpose of doing this is so we can find keywords that people are going to Google and they're searching online right now. And we want to find phrases that are being searched more often. So let's arrange it by monthly searches. Here we've got AI automations. So let's arrange it by max volume. So we have AI agents, 140 people a month, automation engineer, automation license manager, automation technology, automation everywhere. So let's jump into this one. It seems interesting. There's no Google cost per click assigned to it. So let's have a look at, we've got automation technology here, which has 170 people per month, but the cost per click in Google Ads is suggested to be 0. Which isn't ideal. And the competition is 44 out of 100. So the higher it is, the more competitive. Then we've got automation testing. So let's jump into automation testing and let's write a blog about automation testing. Now within our business in Glassfull Media, we want to talk about automation testing. Write a blog about automation testing using make.com and other AI tools, including Perplexity, Chat, GPT, and other recommendations for our target audience, small and medium, local service businesses. Okay, so Perplexity is now researching this, going online and looking for all the top related articles to what we've just typed in. It will then put them together, combine them up and write an article back on it using AI to make sure that it is really high quality. And we can see the blog is being written in real time in front of us right now. So here we have automation testing in today's marketplace talking about make.com. Let's follow up with this. I want to redirect it a little bit. I want to act like it is more of a beginner, that make.com is not the answer to start. So first we want to explain what automation testing is and why it is important. So we've given an update to update the blog to start with an overview of why automation testing is important and what it is, then continue into the solution and make.com being one of the solutions. So here we have the blog being written. We have the heading looks good. Of course, you want to tweak that and focus it in because when you do these more and more, you do see phrases like game changer and other related ones that are used again and again. Got the overview paragraph, why it's important, what testing is. Again, I've just redirected the blog to target non-techie people, saying that some of the solutions that they're targeting here of these apps are more directed towards techie or developer people. So we're looking to target people who are not in a techie world. What is automation testing? Why testing is important? Using make.com, empowering it with Perplexity or ChatGPT. Good. If this, then that, or Airtable. They're 2 very good non-techie solutions. Okay, great. And now we've got real world examples for local service businesses. So now we've got our blog. Now we are in the editor version of our blog. So let's paste all the content in here. Get the heading, drop it into a heading. Now we have our blog uploaded to our platform. We are going to create an image for it. Here we are in napkin.ai, and this is so good for creating images that you want to include within blogs. We are also going to use this image today for the featured image in the blog. So we paste in our blog, and what we're going to do is we're going to create highlight sections of what we want to create images or infographics of. So we are going to highlight a section of the blog. So why is automation testing important? And we've got these different headings, and we're going to click this little lightning bolt then it is going to create multiple versions of different images that we can embed straight into our blog or our article or social media post. Let's have a look at a few different styles. So here we have a few different styles, a lot of processes, a lot of listing. These are great. So say we like this style, then you click it, it will go in a bit further and it will give you different versions of that style. So you can change the coloring and the styling of the post. Let's keep this one. You can then download the image straight from here. Click download. We then go back to our blog. We are going to click saved draft. We're then going to go get that image that we just created, upload it to our website. We are going to add alt text to it for the same heading that we wanted, automation, testing, set featured image. We're then going to add this image inside of the blog. We'll click on image, upload, image, media library, click the image. That's now inside of the blog. And now let's click publish. Now that we've published the blog, we jump back onto the website. Now, when doing all of this process, you need to make sure to spend time at reviewing what the AI has written. You should be taking the content that is provided by the AI as an intern content, and you want to double check it. So here we are on the live website, and we see here's our nice featured image, which was just created. That's specific for this article. We have all of the headlines in place. We have the benefits of it. Then what you should do here is you should have a look through, create internal links. So if you've got other blog articles related to this, you should highlight that specific text that relates to the benefit and link it back to the second article. You should also link it to one or two external website URLs, which will help give your blog more authority. So we used analytics to understand what the hell people are actually searching on a monthly basis, and we wrote an article about that topic. We then searched all of the top articles that have been published about that topic, and our AI has now reviewed and combined it together to create an article that is unique for us. We then reviewed that article and we added in different edits, making sure that we are happy that is in line with our brand, our tone of voice, adding in links to other website pages or external websites or affiliate links. Now let's have a look at scheduling this post out. So you will go to your marketing tab into social media planner, and we are going to click on new post, create new post. We are then going to select the social media pages that we want to post out to. Let's have a look at what social media pages that we want to reconnect. Okay, here we have an example of our Google My Business is expired and we need to reconnect it. So we will go in, click a few buttons, and reconnect the Google My Business page. So let's go to connect social media, click on Google My Business, click continue, allow lead connector to connect into the social media platform and click add. And that's it. It's one click done. It reconnects into your account, and you can do this for all of these social media platforms: Pinterest, YouTube, TikTok, LinkedIn, Instagram, Facebook, Google My Business. So now when we create one social media post, it is going to be sent out to all of the platforms that we want. Let's go back to the social media planner, click on new post, click create new post. If we wanted to do this in bulk, we can do that. If you wanted to use templates, you can do it. Using AI, you can grab content in here as well, and much more. So we are going to click new post. Then we select with a click which account we want to publish this out to. So we want to send it to Google My Business, to Facebook, and to our LinkedIn pages. So let's go get the website address. Let's go to the social media editor. Instead of manually writing the content out, we are going to click the AI button and we are going to say generate with AI. We're then going to put our content title in. Let's select the same title as the blog, and let's select the first few paragraphs of content from the blog to put in a brief description. And now the AI is going to take over and rewrite this for us. We've given the keyword of automation testing because that's what we're writing about here and what we want to rank online for. We're saying we're excited and we want 3 variations back, and you can have a response of short, medium, long, or any custom length as well. Let's click generate. And there we have it. We have the content that we provided, and here we've got versions given back to us for social media posts. We've got a new heading, new paragraphs, new bullet points, new emojis and icons. We have 3 different versions of it. You can pause and read these if you want. Go back to version 3, and we are going to use version 1. So let's go over here, click copy. That automatically pastes the content into the right hand side for the chosen content. Do be careful if you use English UK or English USA, because you may have a Z or a Z instead of an S. Click on continue. On the right hand side of the screen, we can see the post preview. Let's move myself out of the way. So we've got the post preview on the right hand side. Here's the fake text I put in at the start. Let's get rid of one of these stars. So now we can preview what it looks like on Google My Business, what it looks like on Facebook and LinkedIn, because they're the 3 platforms we are posting to in this video. Let's go in and upload an image. Let's get the image we got from napkin.ai a few minutes ago. Double click the image and it gets embedded into the post. We can see on the right hand side, here's the image for Facebook, for Google, and for LinkedIn. We can add a first comment in. So what we're going to do here for the first comment is by following up with a first comment saying, read the full article here. We can also add categories and add tags. We are not going to do that for now. Call to action button for Google My Business is also here. So we'll put in as learn more, website address, put that in there. This is going to be a Facebook feed post and the image is not going to be added as a PDF. If you want to upload to LinkedIn and have that image attached as a PDF, you can click this button. Then click the big blue button on the bottom right that says post, or if you click the triangle, we can see post now, schedule post. If you have a team or if you are giving this work out to a contractor, instruct them to click send post for approval, and it needs to go through an approval process so your manager can approve it before it goes live. And you can now amazingly schedule recurring posts, which is a new one. So let's post this right now. Click on post. And now we can see the progress of the 3 social media posts going out to the 3 different platforms. They are all in progress. We now have published on all 3. It's been 1 minute. Let us jump into our Facebook page and have a look. So here's our Facebook page on the right hand side. Here's our content that we've just created. Here is the image that we've added in. And then in the first comment, here is the full blog. Click here, get to the full blog, boom. And it is posted to Facebook, Google My Business, and LinkedIn all at the same time. And we've way more that we can do. If you want to empower your business and do the exact same thing, click the link down below and you will see a link for an all-in-one sales and marketing software where you can do it yourself, or get in touch with us at glassfullmedia.ie and let us know about your project and let's get you started. I'll see you on the inside. I'll see you on the other side. See you on the inside. I'll see you on the other side. I'll see you on the other side. I'll see you on the other side.